हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपका दोस्त होस्ट विकास कुमार सुमन। लेकर आया हूं एसएसटी एक्सप्लोरिंग सोसाइटी इंडिया एंड बियॉन्ड क्लास 7 चैप्टर 7 द गुप्ता इरा एन एज ऑफ टायरलेस क्रिएटिविटी, a glorious period of political stability, economic growth, and remarkable achievements in art, literature, science, and culture. Rise of the Guptas, a new power emerges. Chandragupta I consolidated Gupta kingdom, married Kamara Devi, a Lichvi princess, adopted the title Maharaja Dhiraj. Samudragupta, powerful conqueror and great military leader, won many battles in North India and the South. Some rulers were defeated, others accepted his supremacy. Chandragupta Dutiya Vikramaditya, Chandragupta II, expanded the empire further, promoted trade, art, literature, and learning. His period is considered the Golden Age. Pragya Prasasti, an inscription praising Samudragupta written by his court poet and official Harisena, an important source of know about his achievement. Faction's account. Faction, a Chinese Buddhist travels visiting India during the Gupta period. His writing tells us about people's life, cities, society, religions, education, and administration. Remember, a traveler sees from his own perspective. Historians compare such accounts with other sources. Gupta governance. The king was the supreme authority. Official helped in administration. The empire was divided into provinces and small units. Local rulers and influential people helped in administration. Land grants were given to Brahmanas, religious institutions and official. Revenue and trade. Agriculture was the main source of revenue. Taxes were collected from land, trade and other activities. Trade flourished through land routes, river routes, and sea routes. Goods like textile, spices, metals, ivory, gems, and more were exchanged. Mathematics and astronomy. Ancient India had a long tradition of knowledge, great progress and made in mathematics and astronomy. Place value system, zero, algebra, geometry, calculations. The classical age and era of great achievements. Aryabhat, a great mathematician and astronomer, wrote Aryabhatya, gave explanation of eclipses based on natural causes. Literature. Sanskrit literature flourished. Kalidasa, the great poet and dramatist, wrote beautiful poems and plays. Kalidasa famous work Avigyan Sakuntalam, Meghadutam, Raghavamesa, Kumar Sambhava. Science and knowledge. Developments in medicine, metallurgy, architecture, grammar and philosophy. The quest for beauty, art and architecture. Sculpture. Gupta's sculpture are known for grace, balance and spiritual expression. Temple architecture. Early structural temple developed. Garbhagriha, sanctum become an important feature. Example, Daswatra Temple, Devghar. Ajanta painting, famous for beautiful paintings showing stories of Buddha's life, people, animals and nature. Iron pillar. The iron pillar of Delhi is more than 1,500 years old and resists rust. A great example of ancient Indian metallurgy. Decline of the Guptas, weakening of central authority, succession problem, rise of regional powers, economic and political pressure, invasions by the Hunar, gradual decline of the empire. Meanwhile, in South and North India, the Gupta Empire did not rule the entire subcontinent. Many other important kingdoms and cultures flourished. Bakatak, in central India, Pallavas in south area, Kamarupa in northeast India. Other regional kingdom also developed. Important places: Patliputra, important Gupta capital; Prayagraj, Prayag Prasasti; Sarnath, famous for Gupta period sculpture; Devghar, Daswatra temple; Delhi, iron pillar; Ajanta, famous painting. Timeline: 240 CE, rise of the Guptas. 320 to 375 CE, Samudragupta's region. 375 to 414 CE, Chandragupta Dutya Vikramaditya. Gradual decline after 5th century CE. The Gupta era shows how knowledge, creativity, and peace can build a great civilization. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.